Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to make Dhansak made with base gravy. To make Dhansak, you need 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste mixed with 4 tablespoons of water, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ginger, 1½ teaspoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves, 250 milliliters of heated curry base, 6 to 8 pieces of meat, 5 to 10 tablespoons of pre-cooked lentils. I'll add the recipe to this below. 1 teaspoon of lemon. Heat the oil in a pan on medium heat, then add the tomato paste and fry off for a minute or two. Add the ginger and garlic and stir in. Fry for another 30 seconds before adding the mixed powder. Coriander powder, salt, chilli powder, sugar and fenugreek. Stir in well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to develop the flavours. Ensure your base gravy is hot, then add it slowly and bring back to the boil. Leave to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add any meat and coat in the sauce to prevent it from drying out. Then add the lentils and stir in. Add the lemon juice, stir through, then simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until the sauce reduces and thickens to your desired consistency. Please remember to like and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.